Hello everyone, hope you all fine. Now we are moving to the next chapter. This is the new chapter construction. In this chapter we have to solve the two exercises. The first exercise is 11.1. You can see that there are the there are 5 questions, and first two questions you have to construct and you have to justify the construction also. So see how we will do it. First, you have to make the 90-degree angle. For that, first you have to draw a line. A simple line, you will draw a simple line. And for that, first you will make the 90-degree, 60-degree angle, then 120-degree angle, then 90-degree. Now see, first you will draw a arc. You can take arc according to yourself. So you will draw an arc like this. Now the second arc you will draw from here, but you will not move the arc. If you will move the arc, your angle will be wrong. So you will cut an arc like this, one from 60-degree angle and one from 120-degree angle, and you will draw the arc like that, and then after you will join a line from this point to this point, and you will draw a line like this. This is a 90-degree angle. Now see, you have to verify it also. You can see that for the verification I have given the name to these points like A, B, C, D and E. For that, first you will draw join BC and AC. You have joined it. I am doing with the pen, but you will do with the pencil. Now, so first we have to prove that this whole angle is 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degree. So what you will do for that? You will even join DC and AC also. Now if you will see it carefully, ACB. So you can see that it is an equilateral triangle. Why? Because you can see that we have taken the equal arc from here. So this triangle is made by all equal arcs, so it is a equilateral triangle. You can say that each angle will be 60 degree. You can see that I have solved the question for you. What I have done in this question, you can see that I have joined all these lines together. Now if you will see that AC equal to AB equal to BC, hence you can say that it is an equilateral triangle, and you know that all the angles of in equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Hence we can say that angle 2 is equal to 60 degree. You can write it here also, angle 2 is equal to 60 degree. Now similarly, if you will see the triangle DAC, you can see that DA equal to AC equal to DC. Hence you can say that ADC is also an equilateral triangle. Hence we can say that angle 1 is also 60 degree. If you see, the angle 1 and angle 2 are the alternate interior angles, and these are equal to each other also. So this is 60 degree and this is also an equilateral triangle, and AF is the perpendicular bisector of DC. So you can say that it will be the angle bisector also of angle DAC. So angle 3 equal to angle 4 is equal to DAC. DAC upon 2, that means 60 degree upon 2, it's 30 degree. But we required angle 4 plus angle 2. So you can write that angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 60 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. Hence proved. Now moving to the next question, you can see that the next question, construct the angle of 45, and you have to justify it also. See how we will do it. Now you can see that we have made the 90 degree angle as we have done in the previous question, but now we have to make the 45 degree angle and we have to justify it. So for that, you will take an arc from there, this point. You will take an arc from this point, you will cut it like that, and similarly the same arc, without shaking it, you will cut from this point, and you will intersect, this arc will intersect the previous arc, and now you will join a line which is joining this point and this point. Again you will give some names to these all arc, and then we will verify it. You will give some names to these like A, B, C, D, and you will join these point BD and CD. If you will see these two triangles carefully, we have to prove that this angle is 45 degree. That's mean angle this one and angle 2 both are 45 degree. This we have to prove that. So first we have to make two triangles congruent, ABD and ACD. If you see these two triangles very carefully, you will see that AD is common and CD equal to BD and CA is equal to AB. Hence from SSS congruency both the triangles are congruent. By CPCT angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And since we know that this whole angle is 90 degree, this x, so x plus x equal to 90 degree. Hence we will find out that this angle will be 45 degree. Whatever I told you, you can see that I have written here. You can see that in triangle ADC and ABD, AD is equal to common and CD equal to BD by same arc, AB equal to AC, same radius. From SSS congruency, both the triangles are congruent. By CPCT, you can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We have assumed it as x. Now x plus x equal to 90 degree. Why? Because you know that this whole angle is 90 degree. Now 2x equal to 90. So x equal to 45 degree. Hence verified this angle. Now moving to the next question, you can see that the third question. In third question, construct the angle of 30 degree, 22.5 degree and 15 degree. Though you have done all these angles in your previous classes also, see that for the 60 degree angle, you can see that first we will draw a line like this one, and then you will cut an arc from there. The same arc you will take from there and you will join it like this. This is 60 degree. For 30 degree, you will bisect 60 degree. You will take an arc from there and one from this point, and these two arcs will intersect at that point and you will join it. So this will be the 30 degree. These are the steps of construction. You can write it also, but in your fair copy, no need to write the steps of construction for these three questions. Now moving to the 22.5. If you see this 22.5, this is half of 45 degree. So for that, first you have to make the 45 degree angle. First you will make the 90 degree angle as I have told you, and then 45 degree I told you in my previous question also. Now for 22.5 degree, you have to bisect the 45 degree angle. That's mean one point you will take from here, one point you will take in from here. You will cut an arc from this point, and from this point you will cut an arc like this, and then you will join it like this. This will be the 22.5 degree. These are the steps of construction. Now moving to the next question, you can see that this is the 15 degree. If you will see it carefully, the 15 degree is half of the 30 degree. So first you have to make the 30 degree. So for that, first you have to make the 60 degree angle. First you will draw a line, then you will cut an arc. We will cut an arc from here. You will make the 30 degree as you have made in the first question of this part of this question, and then you will bisect the 30 degree angle. You will take an arc from there. You will take another arc from this point, F point and C point, and you will cut an arc like this. Then you will join at this line, and this is the 30 degree angle. Now moving to the last question of this exercise, you can see that construct a equilateral triangle and justify your construction. First you will draw a line like this. The same arc, the same line you will take in your compass, and you will cut an arc like that, and the second arc from here. Then you will join these lines, and if you will measure it, you will see that by measurement it will be the 60 degree. Hence this is the last question of this exercise. Or you can measure these lines also. If you will measure these three lines, you will find out that all three lines are equal. Hence this is a part of verification also. You can verify this question like that also. Thank you very much.